This lovely gift during the festive season came up as a recommendation. I'll leave a link down below for where I got it from. It's just really, really pretty and I just had to buy it. I absolutely love it, and it comes in different colors and different moods and so on. Quality boxed, lovely ribbon already on there. Now I'm gonna take out the ring and I'm just going to talk about this sleeve. So the ring is there. I've never seen a box like this, even velvet lining in here, and it's absolutely beautiful quality, and that gives you the slide. Now the ring reveal. It is just so beautiful. Reminds me of Victorian, and again everything velvet cushion, velvet all around, top quality. It's actually an adjustable ring, so you got lovely ruby colored maroon stone here, flower, you got branch and flower design here, Victorian style design there, all the way another little stone there, and lovely dome stone, not uneven, very symmetrical, lovely color through, and when you hold it up it's got good contrast through the stone. And then there's the extendable part here, so that part goes in, you squeeze gently and you can adjust a different size. So one ring pretty much will fit everyone. Maybe not children, because I don't want to push it too much in. So this is a lovely gift idea, and it comes in, it was between, my choice was between this and the black stone, but I absolutely love this color. So with Valentine's coming up, guys, maybe a lovely, great idea for the lady in your life. Could be ideal for mums, sisters, girlfriends, friends, and so on. Maybe consider this as a gift. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you real soon on another video. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on what you're enjoying, what you're not. Maybe check out some of our other videos. We've got some giveaways going on, and there'll be some more giveaways coming up. Bye for now.